Hey everyone, this is Marc here at the Google event in New York with your first look at the Pixel 4 from Google. So let's get to some of the top line features. Of course, the camera. These phones always shine in the photography department, and this one looks to be no different. It has better night sight mode, so you can take better looking shots in dimly lit environments like outside at night. It's got a new telephoto lens and something called Live HDR+. So not only does it have high dynamic range for better contrast and color and clarity and brightness, but you can see on the screen what the lens sees in real time. So you really know what kind of photo you're going to be taking. And of course, lots of machine learning and other kinds of AI on the back end. Speaking of AI, a new Google Assistant is built in. It takes up less room on the screen, but it is more accurate and more contextual. So you can say something like, I don't want to say the wake word, but you're going to say, show me photos from New York, for example. Then you could follow up and say, no, just the images from Central Park or from Times Square, and it'll show you that kind of stuff. There's this new motion sensor, so it's actually got radar built into the phone, this proximity sensor, so it knows when you're reaching for it. It'll already initiate the facial unlock feature. It can quiet an alarm, so it's not blaring because it knows you're reaching for it, and do some other cool things that knows that you're right there. In fact, you can actually interact with live wallpaper. We saw a demo today of waving to Pikachu on the screen, which is pretty cool. And then one thing that really impressed me, especially being a journalist, is the voice recorder technology. So it can transcribe your voice in real time into text. And then you can do things like search for keywords and organize that. So I really like that because that can save anybody a lot of time, whether you're a student, whether you're in an office, in a meeting, like a meeting room, or for journalists like yours truly. So this is the first look at the Pixel 4. There's also, of course, the larger Pixel XL. Price is $799 US or $899 US for the larger device. And I can't wait to give a deeper dive into this phone in the coming weeks.